As soon as you start trading something tangible, there is a problem of shipping correct orders in time, especially if you trade from stock. Customers want to receive their products quickly. It's important not to mix up items and to remember to collect all available positions. Modern technologies allow you to achieve this without setting up a large warehouse system, using the tools you already have at your disposal. In order for Cleverence to monitor the accuracy of the picking, the customer's order must exist somewhere in electronic form, ideally in a back-office system or at least in the form of Excel files. We scan product barcodes with a barcode scanner or smartphone camera. If barcodes are present on the products but you have never worked with them before, the program will ask you to select the product to which this barcode should be linked. The product is chosen from the list of those available in the order, but if necessary, you can call up a list of all products. There is a search function for part of the product code or name. If there are no barcodes on the products, you can print and apply them during the receiving process. However, in the initial stage, you can simply tap on the line with your finger or manually enter the product code. In the app, you can see how much of each item is left to collect. Collected lines are marked as OK. Uncollected items are at the top of the list. With each scan, the quantity increases by 1. The line on the screen shows if the item was not originally in the order. If, as a result of the picking process, some products might be missing or substitutions had been made, this information is already available in digital form, which can be immediately accessed in the back-office system or simply in Excel. This allows for instantly sending accurate information to the customer, updating orders, and automating the creation of back orders. So, with Cleverence you can work with existing orders, work even if barcodes were not used before, accurately identify products by barcode, digitize assembly and shipping process. It is extremely simple program for warehouse staff, for advanced inventory management with pallets, bin location, batch verification, serial numbers, and two-stage shipping. See more detailed videos from Cleverence.